back. Nail guns only. Oh my god, we're at satellite. We're at satellite, guys. With the nail guns.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be interesting.
I always wanted satellite.
Let's see. Let's see what happens here. I think. Let's see if we can put Rosie Bear back into his rightful place. Below me. We're gonna go around with the golden nail gun. I'm gonna give him the golden. Let's see if we can get first blood. Let's see if we can get first blood. Let's get it. Let's get that blood. First blood, yeah. 2 kills in. Right in the face with the nails. Yeah. How do those nails feel?
I got 2 kills.
I got 3.
Come on.
We just took out like pretty much the whole team.
Whoa.
Sniped him. Yep. Yep. I got an Avenger on that one.
You just said you sniped it.
Yeah, with the nail gun. Thought those rocks were gonna save him. Oh, who got me? What was that?
The guy in the...
Oh, yeah, he did. I'm gonna get him back. Gotta throw some nails his way. See how he likes it, huh? Huh? You want some nails there, guy? We got some nails for you. Yeah, sucker. Oh, I got the wrong guy. Got the wrong one. Took out the wrong person. You're not who I... Oh, somebody took him out.
Oh, I see him.
No. Bad, Rosie Bear. Bad. Hey, I wanted that guy.
Oh, I just got thrown by him. He's behind me.
I found him. No!
He killed you.
Yeah, he used the sand to his advantage. I'm going back for him. He's mine, Rosie Bear. Leave him alone. He's my kill. I'm gonna take this one guy out too, though.
Stop killing me.
Oh, he got me again. He moved. He's in a different spot. This guy's camping right out. He's camping right out. We're gonna take him right out. Where'd he go? Where is he? Oh no, he got me too. He's laying prone in the rocks.
No. Keeps on hitting me. Where's the one?
No, I was going the wrong way there, guys. Wrong way. See if we can sneak up on this. And it's full. Let's put it nicely.
Oh no, get him, Hooks. Oh, the soul got me. And you died.
Yeah, he shot me.
I'm going back up.
He shot me. I'm getting him too.
I'm determined to get this kid.
Me too. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, Alex.
Took him out. Took him out with the nail gun. Alright, now let's get back to murdering his whole team. Take the rest of his team right out. Let's see, where is he? Is that guy? Oh my god. I can't believe he just got me.
Reloading, cover. Reloading.
Oh yeah. Oh, come on. That guy again? I'm getting MVP. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, not Rosie Bear again. With the nail gun. Look at that. You guys like my nail gun shooting? What do you guys think? You guys like this? Let us know down below. Give us some likes. Subscribe if you liked it. Join our channel. Rosie Bear don't like coming in second place.
I'll beat you.
He says that. Oh, I went 19, 8, and 0. He went 11, 5, and 2. He got a couple assists.
Yeah, because you're taking all like.
That other guy went 18, 4, and 2. I think that was the sniper guy. I'm pretty sure. That had to be. Let's see here. Who is this guy? Oh, you can't click. Oh, no, I didn't mean to send him a friend request. Oops. Hopefully, well, I'll fix that. Well, enjoy, guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.